Yennies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My beautiful crafty friends, we are going to be doing some really fun little projects. So I bought these really fun little tint skeleton faces candy holders at the Dollar Tree at the beginning of October. I thought these were really fun, and I thought these would be great to give like little favors to my friends. And so I grabbed a whole bunch of these, right? And if you're looking to buy some of these, I know that I saw them in Michael's and I also saw them at Target, but you're not going to pay $1.25 for them. You probably will pay like $3 for them. So if you find them at a Dollar Tree or Dollar General, grab them because they're very affordable there, okay? So I wanted to give this to my coworkers, but I kind of wanted to work, I don't know, I thought it was a little bit too plain for me. So I figured out a way to kind of dress it up in a really nice, fun way. And so I came up with this really simple, easy way to dress up the little candy holders. And I want to show you guys how I did this, okay? So it's very simple. You really don't need a lot of supplies. So the first thing that I wrapped my candy holder with is some tulle. Now, if you don't have tulle, you can always use fabric. You can always use tissue paper, and you can always use some kind of maybe like lace or just something that you can wrap your candies around. You can even use these Dollar Tree tools, which are perfect as well, okay? So I have this green tulle because I went to the thrift shop a while ago and I came across a gigantic roll of these green and yellow tools, and so I grabbed them. So I'm going to use this one because I have a whole bunch that I can spare. I'm going to wrap my skull around the tool, and then you're going to get some kind of either lace or maybe twine or ribbon. You can use Halloween ribbon if you want. Whatever lace or twine or something that you have that we can wrap this around, all right? Just to keep it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. So just gather it in the top and then use something that you can wrap it around. Now what I'm using is these adorable little tools from the Dollar Tree, which you guys know how much I love. So I'm going to wrap this around, okay? And I'm going to actually, hold on. Let me gather it some more. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this around. And I'm just gonna make a nice little tight knot in the front. Nothing special, just a nice little tight knot. Boom. And that's literally what you're gonna get, okay? You can cut this off later if you want. I'm gonna cut this because this is too long, so I kind of want it roughly like right here. Yeah, that's exactly how I want it. And then this over here, I'm gonna chop it off a little bit. Okay, and then you should get something that looks like this. See that? So pretty, right? Okay, so now the other thing that I did to make it more interesting, I added these Dollar Tree little poison bottles. I bought a whole bunch of these. By the way, guys, if you guys are looking to buy some Halloween crafty kits, I have about 2 left in my Poshmark closet, and you can purchase them there if you want, okay? I just wanted to mention that because I added some of these in that kit. So if you guys are looking to get Halloween kits, stop by there. I'll link everything at the bottom, okay? I also have another shabby looking kind of kit as well that I also posted not too long ago. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna add these really fun, adorable little poison bottles to my little skull. I just thought it was a great idea. So what you need to do is just get some ribbon, twine, and just wrap this around your potion bottle a few times, and make sure that it's really tight and secure because this is glass, and if it falls on the floor, it will break, okay? So just make sure that you tie this super, super, super duper tight. And don't run the risk of it falling, okay? So I got it there really tight, and I'm gonna do another knot just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere, okay? And then we're going to wrap this around our gorgeous little skeleton or skull. All right, so we're just gonna do a nice little knot, and then we're gonna do a nice little bow. Tight bow, and voila. Now if you need to cut this out, you could. I have to cut this. This is too long. I have to trim this. There you go. And that's what you're gonna get. You see that? Your little vial or your little poison bottle, your cute little skeleton face candy holder, and it just looks so pretty and presentable. Now the last thing that I did is I added a tiny little skeleton face right on top of the little poison bottle. And these are just skeletons that I've had for a while. These are actually like beads, and I got these at the dollar. No, I'm lying. I got these at Michael's a very long time ago. And they're just these little tiny little skeleton faces. You can still get them. I see you will get them there by the bead section, okay? And they're just really cute and tiny, as you can see there. You see, come up close. You see that? They're tiny. So we're gonna add a tiny little pink little skeleton face on top of our little poison bottle. So just add a little bit of hot glue to your skeleton face, and then add this to the top of your potion bottle. You hold it there for a few seconds, and now we are done. Voila. And that is how I'm going to be presenting these adorable little cute little skeleton to my co-workers. I thought these were so cute, guys. I love them. I love how they look. So I hope that this gives you some ideas and some inspiration, yeah? All right, my loves. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.